Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're digging deeply into the world of excavation equipment. Ever looked at a construction site and wondered what all those different yellow machines actually do? Or maybe you're planning a big project and need to figure out what to rent. Well, you've come to the right place. We're about to break down the most common types of excavators and help you choose the perfect machine for any task. Let's start with the king of the construction site, the standard excavator, also known as a crawler excavator. You know, the one, big arm, big bucket, and it moves on tracks. These are your heavy lifters, your go-to machines for major demolition, digging foundations for large buildings, and large-scale earth moving. The tracks give them incredible stability on rough or soft terrain, so they won't get stuck in the mud. If you need to move a mountain of dirt or tear down an old structure, the standard crawler excavator is your best friend. They come in a huge range of sizes, from mini excavators that can fit through a garden gate all the way up to massive mining machines. So even within this category, you've got options. But what if you need to work on a paved surface or travel between different spots on a large job site? That's where the wheeled excavator rolls in. It's basically the same concept as a crawler excavator, with the boom, stick, and bucket. But it sits on a chassis with wheels instead of tracks. The big advantage here is mobility. A wheeled excavator can drive itself down the road from one part of a project to another without needing a flatbed truck to transport it. This saves a ton of time and money on urban projects or jobs spread out over a large area. They're perfect for roadwork, utility trenching alongside streets, and general construction in developed areas. You do sacrifice a bit of that rock-solid stability you get with tracks, but many models come with outriggers that you can deploy to create a firm base when you start digging. Now, let us talk about a machine that often gets mistaken for an excavator, but is a powerhouse in its own right. The backhoe loader. This thing is the Swiss Army knife of construction equipment. It's a tractor at its core, with a loader bucket on the front and a digging arm, the backhoe on the back. The front loader is fantastic for scooping, lifting, and moving materials like gravel, sand, or debris. You can use it to load trucks or spread material evenly. Then, you just spin the seat around and you've got a backhoe ready to dig trenches, uproot tree stumps, or handle smaller excavation jobs. But because of their versatility and relatively compact size, backhoes are incredibly popular for residential construction, landscaping projects, and farming. If your project involves a little bit of digging, a little bit of lifting, and a lot of moving around, a backhoe loader is probably the most efficient choice you can make. So, how do you decide which one is right for you? It really comes down to three main questions. First, what's your primary task? If it's heavy, deep digging in one spot, a crawler excavator is the specialist. If it's a mix of digging and loading with lots of moving around, the backhoe is your versatile hero. Second, what's the ground condition like? Soft, muddy, or uneven terrain calls for the stability of tracks. Hard, paved, or flat surfaces are perfect for the mobility of wheels. And third, how much space do you have? For tight spaces like backyards or indoor demolition, a mini excavator is the only way to go. But for a wide-open construction site, a larger machine will get the job done much faster. Don't forget about attachments. Most of these machines can be fitted with more than just a bucket. You can add hydraulic hammers for breaking rock or concrete, augers for drilling holes, or grapples for moving logs and debris. The right attachment can turn your excavator into a multi-talented superstar. Choosing the right equipment isn't just about getting the job done. It's about getting it done safely and efficiently. Using a machine that's too big can be overkill and costly, while using one that's too small can be dangerous and take forever. Always assess your job site, understand the scope of your work, and consider the ground conditions before you make a decision. If you're renting, don't hesitate to talk to the experts at the rental company. They have a wealth of knowledge and can help guide you to the perfect machine for your project's specific needs. Getting it right from the start saves time, money, and a lot of headaches down the road. And that's our deep dive into the world of excavation equipment. From the mighty crawler excavator to the versatile backhoe, each machine has its own unique strengths. We hope this guide helps you understand the differences and feel more confident in choosing the right tool for your next big dig. Whether you're a professional contractor or a weekend warrior with an ambitious project, knowing your equipment is the first step to success. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content just like this. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions or if there is another type of equipment you'd like us to cover. See you in the next one.